Can I tell my story about my friend I ran into? Okay. I was at an event a couple of weeks ago and ran into an old friend, and she shared with me that she had just been diagnosed with breast cancer.
My own professional mentor waged a 6-year battle with cancer, and I watched her and held her hand as she fought courageously.
2008 on New Year's Eve, as a matter of fact, I was feeling a little unwell. I went to my general practitioner and was diagnosed with a sinus infection. Regular symptoms, but in addition to the regular symptoms, I had some swelling in my lymph nodes. The general practitioner, he suggested I go see an ENT, who put a scope down the back of my throat, surprising me, and discovered I had tumors growing at the base of my tongue.
I said, "How are you coping with this? How are you dealing with this? How are you so calm?" And she said, "Well, it's two things." She said, "It's my faith." And the second thing she said was, "It's the angelic Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center." That was her description.
I'm Rose Hudson. I'm vice chair of the Fight Cancer campaign.
I am Shelley Mockler. I am on the board of directors for Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center.
I'm Jack Wilson, cancer survivor, treated at Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center.
When my mother-in-law Rita was diagnosed with cancer, we knew we had choices, but our choice was Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center, and we don't regret it one bit.
The lead physician let me know that he was affiliated with Mary Bird Perkins. And he was part of a national clinical trial for a test drug called Erbitux that was used in conjunction with chemotherapy and radiation. It had been helpful in advancing the healing in other types of cancer, and he asked me if I was interested in being part of the trial. I, of course, said yes. It was a chance for me to get an additional treatment that was not available anywhere else.
You want to make a difference in the lives of some person, whether it be detection, treatment, or research.
The results were the cancer is gone. It was a success.
We're saving lives. Saved my mother-in-law's life.
I think we have the opportunity here in Louisiana, here in our own backyard, to say you can be treated with care and with comfort. You know that each day, all of the people that are involved at that institution are driven to make sure that this disease is fought as well as we can fight it.
I started discussing my financial problems and lack of insurance and being on Medicaid, and he just stopped me. He said, I don't need to hear any of that. None of that's going to have any effect on the quality of treatment you get here. That's one of the few times in my life I've been pretty much speechless, yeah.
Support Mary Bird Perkins because we are saving lives with the best doctors and the best equipment, the best level of care in a loving, caring manner.
To the people who support Mary Bird Perkins Cancer Center, I think I can speak on behalf of all the patients and simply say thank you. For me personally, I'm thanking them, all of them, who support this hospital for a chance to survive it all. In my case, to survive with a tongue, to survive without being completely financially ruined. It makes a bigger difference than you could possibly imagine. Thank you.